Best Meat Thermometer. We collect top 6 best meat thermometer. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. When choosing the best meal replacement shake for you, there are many factors to consider. But first, let's start with what a meal replacement shake is and why they have become so popular. As the name suggests, you take a meal replacement supplement instead of eating a regular meal. They're a quick and easy way to get high-quality protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and many other important nutrients. They have become so popular because they're simple and they work. Let's face it, people just don't have time to worry about counting calories and making sure the foods we eat are providing all the essential nutrients we need on a daily basis. A high-quality meal replacement shake takes away all the guessing, so you don't have to think about it too much. There are two main reasons why people use meal replacement shakes. You are either looking to gain weight or to lose weight, so it's important to consider whether the nutrition content is sufficient for your diet and fitness goals. Generally, people looking to gain weight would simply add a shake to their diet. People looking to lose weight would replace a meal a day. Be sure to look for one that contains high-quality ingredients and a wide range of essential nutrients. It should have a balance of protein, carbohydrates, fats and fiber, and be low in sugar to provide adequate nutrition and decrease between meal snacking and junk food cravings, binge eating. It's important to choose a product with a low glycemic index to prevent a rapid increase in blood sugar levels followed by a rapid decrease below normal blood sugar levels known as a crash.